Welcome to the best picks. The best Easter tablescapes is probably one of the most important aspects to creating a memorable Easter celebration, and whether you're hosting a large family gathering or an intimate dinner party, your table setting can significantly impact the overall ambience and mood. Setting a beautiful Easter table is a wonderful way to express your creativity and create a festive atmosphere that reflects the joy and hope of the season. From pastel-colored linens and charming centerpieces to elegant place settings and delightful details, there are countless ways to transform your dining space into a spring wonderland. Number 5. Urban Villa Easter Table Runner. Effortlessly elevate your dining table with this beautiful table runner. It's perfect for adding a touch of elegance to any meal. Looking for a thoughtful present? This table runner makes a wonderful gift for any occasion, from holidays to housewarmings. It's made from premium cotton, so you can simply toss it in the washing machine without worrying about shrinkage or damage. Made from 100% premium cotton, it's eco-friendly, food-safe, and incredibly soft. Enjoy its luxurious feel and lasting quality. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, simply contact us for a quick and easy resolution. Celebrate Easter with this festive table runner, featuring beautiful Easter colors and a classic buffalo check pattern. At 14x72, it's generously sized to perfectly fit your table, adding a touch of sophistication to your dining experience. What we like? It's made of soft, high-quality cotton, so it feels luxurious and is easy to care for. If you're looking for a durable and elegant table runner that will last, this is it. This is perfect for those who appreciate quality and want a beautiful addition to their Easter table. What people say? Rustic appearance. Stiff, so unlikely to wrinkle. Sturdy fabric. Pretty big. Good quality, true to color stated. Just as described and pictured. They are thick. I love the neutral color and that the placemats can be washed. Hopefully they will hold up well. Number 4. Artoid Mode Easter Table Runner. This beautiful table runner is perfect for adding a touch of spring to your home. It's made from high-quality polyester, so it's durable and easy to care for. It's made of 100% spun polyester, ensuring it's soft, durable, and protects your table from damage. The sturdy stitching guarantees long-lasting use. Add a pop of color to your dining space with its vibrant design. It's perfect for everyday use or special occasions. Measuring 13 by 72 inches, it's ideal for tables seating 4 to 6 people. It will beautifully complement your existing table setting. Simply machine wash and lay it flat to dry. It will look as good as new after every wash. No shrinking or fading. Professionally designed with vibrant colors and a unique pattern, it offers a creative way to enhance your home decor. Enjoy its beauty for years to come. What we like? This runner is made from a durable polyester that's resistant to spills and wrinkles. If you need a low-maintenance option that still looks great, this is a perfect choice. It's ideal for families with young children or for those who want a worry-free Easter celebration. What people say? This is not your woven design type of table runner. It is a light, woven, thin, man-made fabric. But it is well made and the printing is clear. Ordered this runner for Easter decorations. I have a soft pink tablecloth and this matches it so nicely. It's nice quality, sturdy, not cheap looking in any way. I look forward to using this for years to come. It looks lovely on our church communion table. Number 3. MineSign Resin Bunnies. These adorable resin bunnies are the perfect addition to your spring and Easter decorations. They're hand-painted and full of charming detail. Made from durable resin, they're built to last and add a touch of elegance to any space. Each one is carefully hand-painted for a unique look. These bunnies bring a touch of vintage charm to your home. Their rustic style complements any decor, adding a touch of whimsy. Place them on your desk, table, or shelf. They'll brighten up any corner of your home. They're ideal for adding a festive touch to your Easter celebrations. Each bunny has its own unique personality and pose. Choose your favorites and let them tell their stories throughout your home. This set includes 3 bunnies, each with a different pose and expression, offering a variety of options for your display. What we like? These adorable bunny figurines add a touch of vintage charm to your Easter table. If you appreciate handcrafted details and a touch of whimsy, these are for you. They're perfect for creating a charming and memorable Easter tablescape. What people say. Well packed. Super cute. Just what I was looking for. Adorable little resin bunnies. Perfect to sit on the edge of a mantle or shelf. Perfect size and colors. Great quality. Number 2. Jetec Easter Tabletop Decor. These charming tabletop signs are the perfect way to celebrate Easter. They feature the words, He Lives in beautiful cross and dove designs, reminding us of the holiday's true meaning. Made from durable, odorless wood, these signs are safe for your home and family. Their beautiful design will last for many Easters to come. With 2 different sizes available, these signs can be displayed on any surface. Place them on your dining table, desk, or anywhere you want to add a touch of Easter cheer. Looking for a meaningful Easter gift? These signs make a wonderful present for friends and family. They convey your wishes and show you care. These versatile signs will complement any home style. Place them on your coffee table, mantle, or shelf to create a peaceful and festive atmosphere. What we like. These table signs bring a meaningful and religious touch to your Easter celebration. If you are looking for a way to incorporate faith into your decor, these are perfect. They're a thoughtful addition for those who value religious symbolism. What people say. What else decorating for Easter? Perfect addition to Easter. Number 1. Blue Panda Easter Tablecloths. It's time to celebrate Easter. These festive tablecloths will add a touch of spring to your party. They feature adorable bunnies and eggs, perfect for creating a cheerful atmosphere. Don't worry about spills or scratches. These durable tablecloths will keep your tables looking great. They're ideal for any event, big or small. Get creative. Use them as tablecloths or hang them as a fun backdrop for photos. Your guests will love the festive touch. They're made from lightweight, durable plastic, so they're reusable. Simply wipe them clean or dispose of them easily after your party. At 54 by 108 inches, it fits standard rectangular tables perfectly. It's everything you need to make your themed parties extra fun. With these tablecloths, your Easter celebration will be unforgettable. Enjoy the ease of cleanup and the festive design. What we like. These festive tablecloths are perfect for a stress-free Easter gathering. If you want a convenient and affordable option that still looks great, this is it. They're ideal for large gatherings or for those who prefer easy cleanup. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.